Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Stature. Conditions where stature is increased. Stature is increased in morning hours on lying down. That is 1 to 3 millimeters increase is seen on lying down. Stature is increased after death during primary relaxation. Conditions where stature is decreased. Stature is decreased in afternoon or evening hours. Stature is decreased on erect or standing position after death when rigor mortis is set in. Stature is decreased after 30 years of age, mainly due to senile degeneration. Stature is decreased by 0.6 millimeters per year after 30 years of age.
thank you and thank you for watching.